So the next one we are going to discuss is about joint ventures. So a joint venture works like this. Two companies which are like separate companies, they create another new company called as a joint venture. So in this new company, both the existing companies will contribute equal capital, okay, mostly equal capital like 50-50 or 49-51. Somewhere it is like mostly equal capital. So they put equal capital and they create a new kind of a company here. So a best example would be like Maruti Suzuki, where Maruti is an Indian company, Suzuki is a Japanese company. They created a company called as Maruti Suzuki. Or Bharati Walmart, Bharati Indian company, Walmart is a US company. They created a new company called as Bharati Walmart. So this is what joint venture is about. So why do companies go for a joint venture? See, it's because built on company strength. See, each company has its own strength, right? Maruti Indian company has some strength, and Suzuki Japanese company has some strength. Okay, Maruti had strengths like government support. They know how the Indian market works. So these are about the good things about Maruti. With Suzuki, they knew how to make the technology. So both the companies, when they combine together, they can create a unique combination of strengths. The risk is also spread and the cost is also spread, improving access to financial resource. When both these companies come together and they ask for a loan, it is much more of a viable plan that they have with which they can raise resource. It might also lead to economies of scale and advantages of size, access to new technology and customers. So Maruti had access to new technology and Suzuki had access to customers, access to innovate managerial practices. So there can also be competitive goals and strategic goals. I think these you can read it on your own. So there are also problems with the joint venture. Problems like transparency of intention. Why did both the companies first of all create a joint venture? So that can be a problem here. For example, Mahindra and Renault came together and created a car called as Logan. This car was the only car which the joint venture produced. So once this car was like produced, then the joint venture was closed. So the reason is like transparency of intention. What intention did Mahindra had with the joint venture, and what intention the Renault had with the joint venture? Or there can also be a conflict resolution. There can be problems in joint venture. For example, Honda and Hero, both the companies were like producing bikes in India for some 15 years. When the joint venture ended, okay, they had a problem of how to split the company and run the company, or ownership and management can be a problem. Who's going to control? That's a problem. Who's changes in ownership of shares, how they are going to control with that. For example, if you take Honda and Hero, assume Hero is selling a share of it to Suzuki. So Honda and Suzuki cannot be together because both of them are competitors in Japanese market. So they cannot be collaborators in an Indian market. So that kind of a problem can occur. Marketing and staffing issues and also cultural problems. So there are still a lot of problems. Okay, these you can read it on your own. You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page, so you can visit at these places. If you just type Sham Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.